London, we're in the United Kingdom. And we're currently on our way to the Harry Potter studio tour. We're now going to the hotel and we're going to be staying at the St. James Place for 5 nights. That concludes day 1 of our trip here in London. So tomorrow we're going to be doing the Shoreditch and Spitalfields. I'm sorry if I said that wrong. And then we're probably gonna go to the Tower Bridge and explore that area over there. So super excited. And we'll see you all there. So that concludes our second day here in London, and we did the Shoreditch and Spitalfields area. It was really beautiful to see all the artwork. And then we went to Borough Market and we got our strawberries and chocolate. If you saw, it was delicious. Lastly, we went to the Tower London Bridge and then got to see the crown jewels. However, I could not show you guys because I can't bring my camera in there. But yeah, so day 3 is tomorrow and we're going to the Cotswolds. I got it. Guys, we got merch. So excited. I got a lot of stuff. that concludes day 3 in London. We were able to go get Taylor Swift merch at Wembley. It was awesome seeing the stadium as well. And then we went to the Cotswolds, which were beautiful little towns, and they had like beautiful rivers. And then tomorrow we're going to be going to the Cliffs of Dover, which is a 2-hour drive from here. So another long day, but very excited to see the cliffs. Cliffs of Dover. Whoa, we made it. So that was day 4 in London. We got to see the White Cliffs of Dover, which were beautiful. And then we walked over to a Catholic church and got to see that from the outside. And then walk around the little village over there in Canterbury. And then tomorrow, the big day, it's Taylor Swift, the Eras Tour at Wembley Stadium. We're so excited. I'm very excited. But before that, we're gonna go to Big Ben and kind of walk around that area, take some pictures, and have a great rest of our last day in London.
How beautiful you are, and how just wonderful it is that, think about the way you can spend your time in the most exhilarating city in the world, right? Especially a Friday night during the summer on a beautiful day in London. Lots of things you could be doing. It's miserable and magical. All I can say is it was enchanted.
that is the end for our trip here to London. It's been an amazing 5 days. Taylor Swift, you are amazing. We love you. All the favorite surprise songs. It was crazy. I'm losing my voice, but we have to be up tomorrow at 5 in the morning. So we'll see you guys in the next adventure, and we're going to Interlaken, Switzerland. See you there.